Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time I will explain how to configuration interface bridge and IP DHCP. This is router 1 the connect to ESP using WLAN 1 and interface Ether 1, interface Ether 2 I am bridge with name bridge 1 and interface Ether 3 and interface Ether 4 I am bridge using name bridge 2. This is IP bridge 1 192.168.88.0/24 and IP network this is bridge to 192.168.10.0/24 and the router 2 connect with the router 1 with the interface Ether 1 using network 192.168.10.0/24 and in the router 2 I am configuration WLAN 1 the connect to my handphone and interface Ether 2 the connect to laptop and I am bridge interface WLAN 1 and interface Ether 2 using IP network 192.168.11.0/24 using name interface bridge 1 and the step configuration. Open your Winbox. Remote to router 1 using Winbox. And next, check interface you're using. And this is I am using interface Ether 1 to my laptop and interface Ether 4 to router 2 and WLAN 1 to the connect to ESP. This is interface WLAN 1 disable. I am want to enable WLAN 1. That interface wireless enable WLAN 1. Check again in the interface bin. That interface bin. This is interface WLAN 1 the active. And next configuration internet access the router 1 with WLAN 1. This is interface wireless scan WLAN 1. This is the connect SSID home. The first configuration I will create security profile SSID home. Type interface wireless security profile add name. I am using name R1 and mode dynamic key authentication VPA PSK and VPA to preset key and VPA preset key. This is the password in SSID home. SSID home using the password QWERTY 19123 and VPA spicy VPA to preset key. This is the password SSID home QWERTY 123 and click enter. And next configuration interface wireless using mode station. Type interface wireless set WLAN 1 using mode dynamic key. Using mode station and band using SSID home, and security profile. Security profile using name R1 and click enter. Check interface wireless, your configuration, interface wireless, print. This is interface wireless is the running. This is running is the connect to ESP. And next configuration IP.jp client for the get IP address from ESP. Type IP.jp client at interface VLAN 1. Disable no. Disable no, this is the with the enable DHCP client. Click enter and check IP.jp client your state. Type IP.jp client print. This is interface VLAN 1, the get IP address 192.168.238/24 and check IP address print. This is IP address your get the from ESP and check internet, type ping google.com and this is the router one that connect to internet using interface VLAN 1. And next create interface bridge. Type interface bridge at name. This is I am using name bridge 1. Click enter and type interface print. This is interface bridge 1. Success your create. This is interface bridge 1 the running. And next add interface ether 2 and interface ether 1 to bridge 1. Type interface bridge port at bridge 1 and bridge 1 interface ether 2 and click enter. And next add interface bridge port bridge to bridge 1 interface ether 1. This is at interface ether 1 and interface ether 2 to interface bridge 1 and click enter. And this is my router the reboot because I am at interface ether 1 to interface bridge 1. And next configuration interface bridge 2. I will configuration IP address to interface bridge 1. Type IP address at address, which is I am using IP 192.168.88.1/24 for interface bridge 1 and click enter. Check IP address your state. Type IP address print. And this is your success create IP address 192.168.88.1/24 for interface bridge 1. And next configuration IP.jp server setup. IP.jp server setup want to give IP address to client using mode dynamic. IP DHCP server setup, DHCP server interface. I'm using interface bridge 1, and DHCP address space, this is the network interface bridge 1, and gateway for DHCP network, this is IP address from interface bridge 1, and address to give out by default 192.168.88.2 until 192.168.254. This is IP address to give to the client. I can enter the net server using IP gateway interface VLAN 1. Less time by default 10 minutes and success. Type IP DHCP server clean. This is your success grid. IP DHCP server using name DHCP1 for interface bridge 1. And next, I will connect using interface Ether 1 to router 1. Click properties and IP for, and this is I am using Optane IP address automatic and Optane DNS server. Click OK and OK. This is the Ethernet connect to network 6 and check details. This is my laptop. The get IP address 192.168.88.254 and back to router 1. Check IP address. The give to client type IP DHCP server list print. This is IP DHCP server list 192.168.88.254. This is IP the give to MAC address my laptop. And next, configuration interface bridge 2. The first, create IP interface bridge at IP bridge at bridge at name bridge 2 and click enter. Add interface bridge port, add bridge. I am using bridge 2. Bridge 2 and interface Ether 3 and interface Ether 4. That and check interface bridge to your grid. Type interface clean. This is interface bridge 2 is the running. And next, configuration IP address for interface bridge 2. Type IP address at address 192.168.10.1/24 interface bridge 2 and click enter and check IP address circuit. IP address clean. This is your success grid IP address 192.168.10.1/24 for interface bridge 2. And next, configuration IP DHCP server for interface bridge 2. Click enter and DHCP server interface using bridge 2 and DHCP address, this is the network, and gateway, this is IP address, and address to give out I am using default, and then a server by default. This is the gateway from the ESP. And list time 10 minutes and success. Type IP DHCP server clean. Your success grid DHCP using name DHCP2 interface bridge 2. And next, configuration IP firewall NAT for the router to the get internet from router 1. Type IP firewall NAT add change source NAT and out interface VLAN 1 and action masquerade. Click enter and check internet to your laptop. This is my laptop using IP 88.254. Check open your CMD and type ping google.com. I'm sorry, I am disconnect interface wireless. And this is type again ping google.com. And this is my laptop the connect to internet using interface Ether1 in the router 2. This is using interface Ether1. And this is interface Ether4 the running slave because I am the connect with cable interface Ether4 in the router 1 and interface Ether1 in the router 2. Next, I will configuration router 2 and change cable my laptop to cable in the router 2. Login again to router 2 and next I will get IP address from router 1. This is I am configuration IP.jpg client. I'm sorry, I am reconnect and type IP.jpg client at interface. I'm sorry, check interface you are using. Interface print. This is I am using interface Ether1 to the connect to router 1 and interface Ether2 the remote using my laptop and interface VLAN 1 this is disabled. The first configuration DHCP client for the get IP address from router 1. IP DHCP client at interface Ether1 disable now and click enter. Take IP DHCP client script. Take IP DHCP client print and this is router 2 the get IP address 1 and 2.168 then the 254 and this is router 2 the connect to internet using interface Ether1. This is check type ping google.com. This is router 2 is the connect to internet. And next configuration interface bit for interface VLAN 1 and interface Ether 2. The first enable interface VLAN 1. Interface wireless enable VLAN 1 and click enter. Check interface VLAN 1 interface print and this is interface VLAN 1 the active. And next configuration interface bridge. Interface bridge at name at name this one. Click enter. Check again interface bridge. This is a success create interface bridge 1. And next add interface VLAN 1 and interface Ether 2 to interface bridge 1. Type interface bridge interface bridge port add bridge to bridge 1 and interface VLAN 1, click enter, and add interface Ether 2, and click enter. And next, configuration IP address for interface bridge 1, type IP address at address. This is IP using 192.168.11.0/24. This is I'm using IP 192.168.11.1/24 for interface bridge 1, and click enter. Check IP address your script. This is IP address 192.168.11.1/24. Success your create for interface bridge 1, and this is IP from the router 1 to connect to router 2 using interface ether 1. And next, configuration IP DHCP server setup for interface bridge 1. Click enter and DHCP the space. And gateway for DHCP network and next, and default I'm using default, and DNS server using DNS server from the router 1 DNS server from the ESP. Less than 10 minutes. And next, configuration interface wireless. Before configuration interface wireless, check IP DHCP server.create. This is your success create IP DHCP server using name DHCP1, and connect your laptop and check IP address to your laptop. Type properties and click APP port, and I am using Optane and IP address and Optane DNS server, and click OK. And this is my laptop. The get IP address 192.168.11.254, and this is check IP DHCP server display. This is my router to give IP address for my laptop. This is IP 192.168.11.254. And next, configuration interface wireless. VLAN 1, create access point. That IP, that interface wireless, set VLAN 1 using mode update. SSID, this is I am using SSID updates wireless. And using the radio name 232, and click enter. And check access point your create. This is your success create access point bridge wireless. Click the connect. This is access point is the open because I am not configuration security profile. Waiting the connecting to SSID update. And this is interface Ethernet. I am not the give internet. This is access point, not internet. And check IP address to give using interface wireless. This is get IP address 192.168.11.252 and check interface. Open CMD and check ping google.com. This is my laptop, not the connect to internet, because this is ping request will not find host google.com. Please check the name and try again. This is configuration IP firewall NAT for the client is not connect to internet. IP firewall NAT at change such NAT or interface ether1 and action masquerade. Click enter. Check again internet. This is your laptop. This is your laptop. The connect with internet with the interface ethernet. Interface ethernet the connect to internet and interface wireless. This is I will disable interface ethernet and using interface wireless to the connect internet. This is using the access point bridge wireless and check ping google.com. This is your laptop that connect to internet. And this is configuration review DHCP and wireless. And configuration, next configuration the finish. Thank you.